Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the severe weather outlook for July 2nd. So, what's happening at the moment? In the Eastern Pacific, we have Tropical Storm Douglas, and from completely quiet just a week ago in the Atlantic to future Hurricane Arthur. We'll talk about that shortly. In the United States, in terms of severe thunderstorm weather, 30% chance for severe thunderstorms today, 15% for tomorrow, 5% for Friday. So here's what's going on. Lots of stuff going on. So over here, in the Pacific Northwest or the Northwest Pacific, however, it's ordered high chance for a new tropical cyclone out there and a low chance over here, both of those per the JTWC. Alida has gone post-tropical and now I believe is a remnant low. Alida is no more. And then Douglas is just barely a tropical storm at this moment and predicted to become a tropical depression shortly. No land hazards with that storm, luckily. However, this thing, absolutely, Arthur, who is almost a hurricane at this point. In fact, if you look at the satellite loop, I believe you're starting to see a visible eye in this thing. So Arthur, that is Arthur. So let's go. Where is it? We have the watch warning map. So this red area is for the hurricane warning. The purple-ish area is for the hurricane watch. Blue areas are for tropical storm warnings. So that's what's in effect for the coast at the moment. Here are the land hazards that they're expecting with us. So, dangerous winds, storm surge, rainfall, and dangerous surf conditions. You can also read your local hurricane statements for wherever you're affected to read what your local office is saying about the coming storm. So this thing predicted to be a hurricane, well, it is almost a hurricane, but shortly. And that is Arthur. Arthur, you can almost make out portions of Arthur on the radar, but of course it doesn't go out far enough. But fairly well looking. It's gathering its strength or whatnot. It's looking more put together or however. Something of the sort. Here are the models, or what would be the models. No ECMWF imagery for today, unfortunately. But here is what the GFS thinks this thing is going to look like. So this thing is looking quite impressive and, of course, becoming extra tropical around this place or so, turning into an extra tropical storm. So, yes, that is Arthur. Here are a couple more images. They're showing several of the numerical models. There's a lot of agreement, pretty tight together on what the possible path could be with this thing. This is new. So this is a graphic showing the intensities, what the different models are saying about the intensities. Here is where you can find this. If you go to Arthur's Spaghetti Models page and then scroll down a bit, the interactive graphic is here. And it's a little bit light, but you can tell. So here's the Category 1 zone or whatnot. So a lot of these models definitely thinking there's going to be a Category 1 hurricane. This one, the ship model, or however that's pronounced, whatever it's called, is predicting Category 2 hurricane status, but that's the only one at the moment thinking that. So that's where you can get that. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm weather threat for the next few days. And of course, depending on Arthur, Arthur, I'm sure, can be bringing definitely some severe rains, quite possibly maybe some tornadoes. We'll find out later on. Here's Canada. Canada, because I keep talking about how the things cut off at the border. Canada has several things going on at the moment. They've got severe thunderstorm watches, that's the yellow, and severe thunderstorm warnings, that's the reds. Over here, a whole bunch of heat warnings, but some severe thunderstorm warnings as well, and severe thunderstorm watches. And then back here, also for the severe thunderstorm watches and warnings. In the United States, there are, 11 different severe thunderstorm warnings all over the place at the moment, and 2 different special marine warnings up there. In general for today, 5% chance for a tornado up here in this area, 2% around it, and then of course, again, 2% in Canada, I would presume, but it's not officially on the map. Is a probability for 58 mile per hour and greater winds, 30% chance over there, 15% again Canada, and then 15% down here, and again Mexico probably with the 5% for the wind chance. Here's the map showing the probability for 1 inch or larger hail. Again, 30% chance, 15% going up into Canada, and then a 5% chance down there. Tomorrow, once again with the northeastern area, 15% chance, and then 5% back here. So yes, here's some web pages for more information that you can go to determine your severe weather threat, and just stay alert, because it's going to be It's going to be a bumpy 4th of July weekend, right, with a hurricane. The first one of the season. Nothing, and then suddenly there's a hurricane out of nowhere. Or seemingly out of nowhere. Something of the sort. Anyway, that is it for today. And I hope you stay safe out there.